Okay, so we really haven't utilized our meta table at this point. We have assigned our meta table. We've been able to create a new superstring, but we don't have any functionality. We can't add two strings together. So let's go ahead and define some functionality in add function. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this, and I'm going to say function ss dot add, and we're going to have an s1 and an s2. So this will add two strings. It'll basically concatenate them, and we're going to do return s1.s s2.s. So we're going to assume we're getting those two superstring tables, and we're going to get the string key of each one of them and concatenate them and return that. So that'll work as an add. But now what we're going to do is we're going to say meta dot underscore underscore add equals ss dot add. So what's going to happen now at this point is we're basically assigning this function to the meta table's add key. So now when that plus operator is used for that table, it's going to look up and see if the superstring that we're using the plus operator for has a meta table, and if it does it define add? If it does, it's going to use this function to do the add. So now we should be able to actually utilize this. So let's do something here. Let's test this with just regular strings, just to prove that this won't work with regular strings. So we're going to do first name Bill, and we're going to do last name Gates. Okay, then we're going to try to do this. We're going to try to do print first name plus last name. This isn't going to work with regular strings. If we run this, bam, we get an error. Attempt to perform arithmetic on global first name, a string value. So it doesn't like that. But let's suppose that we change this and we make this be our superstring. So we're going to say ss new, pass in Bill, and then ss new and pass in Gates. Now, if we try to print first name plus last name, let's try that. You can see we get Bill Gates. So what we're able to do here is to use a meta table to define what that plus operator should do. Now, we're using a concatenation to do that, which is also an operator. So you could imagine that you could also redefine underscore underscore concat and make the dot dot operator do something different with our superstring if we wanted to as well.